This is a tutorial of the Python string partition method. Learn to partition a given string into a 3-item tuple. Left part, splitting part, right part. Python string partition. This method returns a 3-element tuple for a given string such that it contains 3 parts created after splitting the original string from the first occurrence of a given character or substring. The 3-element tuple so returned contains the part before the splitting part as the first element, the splitting part itself as the second element, and the part of the string after the splitting part as the third element. Note: the splitting part is also known as the separator. In other words, this method does the 3-part partition of the given string and return the partitioned strings in the form of a 3-element Python tuple. As this method splits the string from the first occurrence of the separator string, if you want the string to be split from the last occurrence of the separator string, you can use the Python string partition method instead. Syntax. Given below is the syntax for the Python string partition method. Please observe the code carefully. If required, kindly pause the video for the same. str partition parameters. This method takes only a single argument, and that is the separator. It is the part of the string from where the string actually breaks up or splits. It is a string type argument. Therefore, it can be a single character or a substring of the original string. It is mandatory to provide this argument. str partition return value. It returns a tuple containing 3 items such that each item of this tuple is actually a part of the original string on which this method is applied. 1. The first item of the tuple is the part of the string before the separator. 2. The second item of the tuple is the separator itself. 3. The third item of the tuple is the part of the string that comes after the separator in the original string. Note: in case the string has multiple occurrences of the splitting character, it splits the string from the first occurrence of the separator. Example: basic usage of the Python string partition method. Here in the following example, we've applied the method partition on 4 different strings to illustrate its working. Please observe the code carefully. If required, kindly pause the video for the same. Output. Please observe the code carefully. If required, kindly pause the video for the same. I hope you found this guide useful. If so, do share it with others who are willing to learn Python and other programming languages. If you have any questions related to this article, feel free to ask us in the comments section. And do not forget to subscribe to WT Matter.